Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and in this video, I am going to tell you how to set up forwarding mail service in your Gmail account. Now, let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So, in this video, I am going to talk about 3 points. In the first point, I will tell you how to set up forwarding mail services. After that, I will tell you what verification is required for this setup, and in the end I will tell you how to cancel the forwarding mail service. So now let's move forward to our Gmail account and see how can we do that. Now we are in Gmail account. So we have to set up a forwarding services. So how can we do that? So before going any further, I will tell you what forward is. For example, you are using the two Gmail account and you want for particularly for particular time, you want the account. For example, if the mail has been sent on this mail, should be sent on another mail of mine. Whenever this mail will receive a mail, for example, if the mail will be received on connect@fortran.in, it shall be directly sent into my another account. That would be my forwarding service. This is as same as the phone, in which you can forward your call from one phone number to another phone number of your own. Now let's go into the settings where we can on our forwarding service. So in here you will click on see all settings. When you click on see all settings, it will take you into the settings. In here you will go into the forwarding and POP IMAP. When you click on it, you will see forwarding. It will ask you add a forwarding address. So I have another mail open up in my incognito mode, that is harshwats520@gmail.com. So this is our mail. Now let's copy this from here, Control C, and we will go back to our email. There we will add the forwarding address. So now the forwarding address is this. After that, click on next. When you click on next, it will seem something like this: forwarding mail to hworths520@gmail.com. Click on proceed. When you click on proceed, add forwarding address. A confirmation code has been sent to hworths@gmail.com to verify the permission. So click on OK. Now the verification code will be sent on my another mail. Now let's move forward into incognito mode. So now we have received the mail on our another email, which is hv520@gmail.com. When we click on it, you will see we have this confirmation code. So you can copy this code, Control C. After that, we will go on to our previous email and come here and paste this confirmation or code. After that, click on verify. When you click on verify, you will see you have verified your forwarding address hworth520@gmail.com, and keep Fortran mail copy in the inbox, or if you do not want, you can do anything as per your desire. So you can disable forwarding or you can enable. I want to enable forward. Forward a copy of incoming mail to Hworths in use. So I will go and make save changes. After that, making a save changes, we will go in our inbox and we will compose mail. So we will mail on to connect@fortran. So it should be forwarded to our second email account also. This is the test for forwarding mail, test mail. So we should send it. So we have sent. This is the mail for forwarding mail. Now we will move on to our second email. So when we go there, you can see we have received the mail. When we click on it, you can see this is the test for forwarding mail. So this is the mail we have sent our mail to, but we have received our mail on this ID. And this is the use of the forwarding service. So we can go back again, and if you want to stop forwarding your mail to that ID, how you can do that? For doing that, you should again go into the settings and again see all settings. After that, go into the forwarding. So in here you will click on disable forwarding. After that, click on save changes. Now if you mail certain thing, that mail will not be forwarded into our another ID. So this is how you will use the forwarding mail service in your Gmail account, or you can also forward it to Yahoo or another options as per your requirement, even Rediff. So this is how the forwarding feature works in the Gmail. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared, and if not, kindly write us in the comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.